So you might be in a random situation or for some reason your CarPlay widgets just aren't working. Now you can see right here I have my standard CarPlay option, but if I go through and check out some of the widgets aren't actually loading, specifically this one. Now this typically happens normally because your phone that you have connected within CarPlay for some reason is not getting refreshed based off of the actual, CarPlay. Meaning that the phone that you have, so right now I have my iPhone, 14 Pro connected to my CarPlay. The reason why it's not refreshing is basically my iPhone may not have, internet inside of it. It may not have Wi-Fi or may not have a cellular data connection. So it's going to wait until I get some sort of data connection for these widgets to kind of start popping up. Now you'll notice some of these other widgets, like my recently played music or this one right here, this calendar one, it's still going to show that I have some sort of thing inside of it, like I have some data, but it's not going to show me everything. This one, I think it's like the stock one. This one does kind of require your internet connection. So the reason why this one isn't really being popped up is because I don't have any internet inside of my device. So that is kind of the first thing. Now, if that's not working, you can also try going through and grabbing your iPhone and unplugging your iPhone and replugging it back in. So grab your iPhone, just plug it in, unplug it, plug it back out. See if that ends up fixing the problem. For some of us, that might end up fixing it for you too, and that's another thing I recommend doing. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.